Welcome to Spring LIB.
The equation for motion is given by x of t, which is given in the equation 14.42. The things that we have to see is v of x, a of x. Now we know v of x equal to dx upon dt and ax equal to dvx upon dt. So we are going to use these two formulas to find our solutions. Fine? Okay. So when we see this, d of cos omega dash t upon dt equal to minus omega dash sine omega dash t. Okay. The next one is d of sine omega dash t upon dt. This is the next one. That is equal to omega dash cos omega dash t. The next one we have to find is d of e raised to minus alpha t upon dt equal to minus alpha e raised to minus alpha t. So these are the three derivatives that we have found out in the first step itself. Now in the first part of it, they are asking when phi is equal to 0, then what will be the motion? So we are putting x of 0, which will be capital A. So this is the answer of the first part. Okay. Now let's move on to the second part of it. Fine. So let's see the second part of it also now. B part. We know v of x equal to dx upon dt, right? Okay. So that is equal to a e raised to b upon 2m into t into minus b upon 2m, okay, cos omega dash t minus omega dash sine omega dash t. So this is sine. Yes, we can just remove this. It is sine. This is sine. Okay, understood this much? Okay. Now, in this case, when we got this equation, what we are going to have is at t equal to 0. When t equal to 0, what will be the v of x? This is the equation. Putting t equal to 0 in this equation, what we are going to get is minus ab upon 2m. Hence, what we are going to get is, we are going to get the graph of x versus t. The graph of x versus t is to near t is equals to t. Near t equal to 0 slopes down. Okay, did you see the minus sign here? So the graph of x versus t near t equal to 0 slopes down. So this is our B part of the question. Now let's move on to the C part. C part, let's see. The C part, we have a of ax, that is dvx upon dt. Okay, now let's see how does that proceed. That is equal to a e raised to minus b upon 2m into t. Open the bracket. B square upon 4m square minus omega square. Okay, cos omega dash t plus omega dash b upon 2m sine omega dash t. So this is A of x. Understood? So according to this equation, we are going to find out the answer for the C part of it. Okay. So in this case, when t equal to 0, right? You have to take the case of t equal to 0. That is what we are requiring. So A of x will be A into b square upon 4m square minus omega dash square, and that is equal to A into b square upon 2m squared minus k upon m. Okay, so we have to note that this minus bv naught minus k x naught upon m. You have to note this. Okay, now the thing that we have to see with the help of this equation is that you have seen this will be negative, right? This will be negative if b is less than root of 2km. This will be negative if that is less than 2km. It will be 0 if this is negative. This is will be 0 if b equal to root of 2km, and it will be positive if b is greater than root of 2km. So three cases are there. So the graph in the three cases will be curved down, not curved, and curved up. So in this case it will be curved down here, not curved, and in this case it will be curved up. Understood the three cases of this? Okay, so this is the entire procedure of it. Hope you understood that.